Alright, we out cruising right now. I got this slammed Lexus over here. Looks pretty nice. Bolt didn't want to come off there. I don't know what this little piece is called right here. This. I think it's like a clamp or something to keep the bolt on, but that shit wasn't coming off. It was a 10mm. But I just yanked the whole damn thing out. It's definitely still usable. It just needs to be put on right. Again, this part's a little scraped up, but I'll keep it. It's just I can't have it on there dragging like that the whole way down. It makes a bunch of noise. Also wouldn't want it to get, just for safety, you know, guys, I wouldn't want it to get tangled up in the rotor or anything. Just, you know, kind of got a good drive, so glad we got that out. All right, you guys, here is the C5 Corvette. You guys haven't seen this in a while. He put some halo taillights in it, I believe. But guys, we are headed to the beach today. So before we go down to the beach, I noticed on the G fender liner is dragging. So got a 10mm wrench. Gonna take this bolt off and see if I can get this fender liner out. I'm not sure, you know, I think it has like two parts, like that part, and then it stops right here, and then, but yeah, you guys can see that's on the ground. Don't want that like that on the whole way to the beach. So yeah, guys, we'll definitely get some footage for you down there. Haven't been able to do a whole lot of drifting with the car lately, just with the current state it's in. It still needs a power steering pump. Well, actually, I had one, but my mechanic put the wrong one on. I don't even want to get into that whole thing right now, but yeah. And then I noticed, like, the stance it's at right now of how low it is, it's just not the best stance for drifting. Since the car's so heavy, it's just really hard to drift. Plus, as you can see, I got some camber in the rear, definitely. So let's see if we can get this off. All right, we out cruising right now. I got this slammed Lexus over here. Looks pretty nice.
Once he out here skating in this bitch.
That last street was crazy, bro. I was scraping mad hard. We out here, we're still getting content for y'all. It might not be all car stuff, but we're looking for margarita mixers right now. Me and my C, we got a mix that tequila we got. It's not really good straight, so we will try. I think we should try the mango margarita mixer. What do you think?
Yeah. I think we should try that one.
You want this one?
But we for sure trying this one.
Alright. Okay.
Alright, cut. Go ahead, see. Yo, pump that shit right, yo.
Where we at? Where we at? Tell them where we at.
We at Ocean City, New Jersey. You dig? Oh shit. We got the Jones running and shit. Pump that shit, bro.
We're out here at the beach again. How you doing? How you doing?
She said,
waved. All right.
Fuck you.
We been getting some rinse, y'all. She was listening to some music, so maybe she didn't want to stop and talk. I get it. She was pretty good looking. I ain't gonna lie, but we out here. We pumping our bikes.
Pump that shit.
Gotta get this morning riding.
How do tweakers pump bikes?
Yo, let's see. Let's go to the plot, yo. Come on. Let's go. Bro, we not going tomorrow or this water's going on you. Nah, nigga, we going right now. Get up. Get up. Why you so lazy, bro? Sipping that fucking cup, bro. Stop sipping that shit, nigga. Stop sip. Ninja? Stop sipping that tequila, bro. See, me and TJ always say, like, that word, so we have to correct ourselves and say ninja. Wake up, Steve. We're going to the beach, bro. I'm done playing, bro.
Bro, you a bitch.
So it is dinner time at the beach house. Seed is cooking up some tenderloin steak. Nice and seasoned up right there with the butter in the pan. We were going to do it on the grill, but we decided this is just a little easier for our situation right now. So we'll see what's up. We'll see what's up, you guys, later. We're gonna get lit.
Get lit.
Yep. 3 VQ people. We got a little G35 coupe across the street. So as we already told you guys, we're at the beach right now. So we're gonna go to the beach again today. Today's Saturday, and then we are out of here, back to Delaware. Ooh. I don't know if you guys just heard that car downshifting. It sounded like a Lambo. But yeah, we're gonna take a bike out right now, hit the beach, go up to the boardwalk later. We're just enjoying summer while we can, enjoying all the time we have to stay down here and get away from home. But there's a lot more content coming soon for you guys. Tomorrow we're going to TJ's. We got to replace one of his O2 sensors, so we're gonna do that. And yeah, guys, just stay tuned. Nah, she a
She look good though. She look good, yeah. She look like a good milk.
No. Stop recording. Like,
Get these people's a reaction.
Alright, guys, so we're out here getting a little cruising right now. We're with my Samia. You know, bros before hoes, day one shit. But yeah, we're cruising around the island right now, just vibing. We've had a great weekend so far, y'all. See what you doing for him, sweet.
That's six.
Show them you can tweak, bro. They haven't seen you tweak much. Hey, wait. What's that on the shirt? That's a GTR, right?
That's a GTR.
Tell him, bro. Tell him you.
We'll be scaring the GTR, you already know, man. I think this Henny tweak off with.
Gang. So y'all, what we've been doing, bro? So basically, we've been out here hustling, bro. What, bro? Even a cop said he respects my hustle. So y'all, we're trying to come up for y'all, right? We're trying to shout out my YouTube, and we're trying to make it. So we're gonna do this shit, bro. You know what I mean? Everybody we see, we just doing this shit, bro.